Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So I've got a few more items to share with you from Fansells that they were kind enough to send me. So again, we'll start with the one that we can sort of see. This one has come in a box, so it's a little bit different. It comes with all the instructions and stuff on the side, and it does come with a picture on the end. But let's have a look what we get inside this one. Oh, this one is different. Different straight off, because this one is on glue rather than... Oh, and it comes with the individual packets of diamonds. So this is the image. Not sure if you can see, so it's sort of butterflies and flowers. It comes with this tray, which looks like it has two sides. So one side's got the spacing for rounds and one side has got the spacing for squares, because a square painting is smaller than a round painting is. The diamonds are. So square diamonds are smaller than round. But let's see if I can peel this back so that you can see what it looks like. There we go. You can probably see better that way. Look, I just thought it was pretty. So it's like a butterfly going up to the flowers but above some water. So you do get a little bit of a reflection. It is a square. Which again in itself is a little bit different. It's a 35 by 35, so let's see if it is a true. It is. So it's a true 35 by 35 because it's on double-sided. More often than not, they do become true. Now, I'm not going to get all the diamonds out in this one because they are all in individual packets. We do get some tweezers, and there is some bags. There is some grip seal bags, but I'm not seeing a pen. That's the only thing I'm not seeing. Oh, hang on. No, that's the box for the tweezers. So the tweezers have fell out of that box. So they can go sort of back in there. There is no pen. Have I missed it? No, I've not missed it. Okay, I mean, not a biggie for me because I don't use it, but there is no pen included. But it does have an inventory sheet, so that's the full image. And it does have PMC numbers, and it has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 42 colours. That is pretty intense actually, 42 colours. I'm not going to object to that one. So yeah, 42 colours with this one. Colours do look pretty. I say I'm not tipping them all out, but they do look, you know, quite a bit pastel-y. In relation to the colours, we've got quite a few nice pinks hiding in there as well. I can't see a pen hiding in there. They normally stand out. They're normally pretty pink. But we do get tweezers and stuff, so you still have a means of putting it down, unless you've done far too many diamond paintings like me. And in fact, you have far too many pens anyway. But that's a different type of tray. So you've got 2.8 millimeters on one side, 2.5 on another. So it would be the 2.5 that you'd use for your square, and then you can use that one for round. So that is number one. And then let's have a look at what we've got in number two. It's like Christmas, because I always forget. I always forget what's been ordered and what hasn't. And I look at so many paintings as well. Sometimes I just never know. Oh, I think this might be a luminous one. Methinks. So this is a partial. It is down as a 30 by 40. but the design area is in fact 36 by 26, so it has definitely got a thin border. It is it all specials? No, it's close to being all specials, but not all of them are. There is 3 numbers that are DMC, and they do give you the DMC numbers by the looks of it. And then they give you different codes for the special diamonds. You do get a toolkit in this one, including baggies. So a little bit upgraded. And then we've got a nice mixture of big diamonds and small ones. So these are the big ones. So we have big round blue ones, huge red ones, green, silver, red circles, orange circles, green circles. Then we have the basic colours. So we have purple, blue and some red. And then we have what I'm pretty sure is glow in the dark. So are you ready for me to turn my lights off? Oh yes. Okay, it is daytime here, so you can sort of see it when I first turn my lights off, but they are glow in the dark. And they sort of give the outline of the elephant. So once you've done this painting, you will still have an outline to show you. So it's this symbol number 1. So there is detail within it as well. It actually does quite a lot of detail in the number 1. So I think that will look absolutely fantastic when it's done. I might have to do one of these luminous paintings that I've got very soon, just to show the finished effect, and because I want to, because they're fun. And then last but by no means least, what do we have in this one? What do we have? Ooh, we have a pretty roses basket. So this one does come with the MC numbers, and it is in round. That's the image, and that is of course what it looks like. That is pretty good rendering for a small image. I'm happy with that. So this is 35 by 25 in size. It has 23 different colours, and it does come with your standard toolkit. And then of course I expect a lot of, if I'm getting it, a lot of reds and pinks. Then we do have some white for of course round these edges. We've got some red, but then we also have some nice blue, break up that sort of backdrop. And then we have some greens. What colour's that one? Number 3. We do have 310. Not too many, but we do have 310. Greys, browns, greens, and here comes your pinks, along with some more greens. Nice amount of reds and browns, bringing that shade in. And then we've got even more to help those roses pop. Let's get those over there. I'll fight with them in a minute. So that is my selection for today. We have roses in a basket. We have a luminous elephant, if you want to try something a little bit different. And then, where's the inventory sheet for this one? We have a very elegant, but in square, butterfly. In fact, there's more than one butterfly. There's a butterfly up here and there's a butterfly over here as well. With some beautiful flowers above the water. That one was a little bit different, being in the square, but so they do, Fansells do provide paintings from many different sort of manufacturers of them, so they can come in various styles, but this one is a true 35 by 35. These two are a little bit smaller because they come with the poured glue, but equally They're all beautiful. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.